Thanks to the low entry barrier kept by SEBI, the post-COVID era has led to a massive inflow of retail traders into the stock market, especially in options trading, in search of huge returns. Sadly, more than 95% of the retail traders lose their capital in first 6 months, and never return to trading. While many failed traders become investor and hold their losing stock for years in hope of making some money. So, why does the majority of traders and investors fail, but only a few succeed? Most retail traders just trade based on what the news channels or their friends and relatives are telling them without even doing the most basic research on their own. Listening to media-hyped stories, many traders enter the market with unrealistic returns expectations, and become easy targets for fraud companies that advertise high returns and show short-winning trades. However, some traders do their own analysis, get emotionally attached to their trades, and don't take stop-loss when they need to, hope that somehow their trade will come in profit, and many even buy more, taking huge risk and blowing up their account. The success rate is made more difficult when they are trading against professionals, FIIs, and other big institutions who have access to algorithms, doing complex analysis to identify the best trades with clear plan. These professionals also trade without any emotions, irrespective of whether they are winning or losing. They just follow their risk management plan without fail, and eventually, always end in profits. Lastly, they have bigger accounts to trade, and can sometimes even moving the stock significantly in their preferred direction too. So, any retail traders trading without discipline will find it really hard to make money in the market. Our mission at 4% Trader is to help the retail traders earn consistently by being disciplined. So, if you are looking at a long-term success rather than getting rich quickly, and if you are realistic in your returns expectations, rather than chasing myths of hyper returns, and if you want to trade with proper risk management, but most importantly, if you can be disciplined in your trading, then you have come to the right place, and we will help you succeed in your trading. We not only share our trading methodology with our fellow retail traders, educate them on proper risk management techniques, but also provide long-term investment advice to build a strong portfolio. So what are you waiting for? Just join the 4% Trader family now, and start your journey to become a profitable trader and a successful investor.